welcome back to Elliott, and it's a new year!
Yay.
I hope you had a very nice Christmas, and today we are not working on the Mini, we are working on that.
On what?
That.
We're on the Audi. So what's the plan on here today then?
We are doing this because it's smashed on the school run, and also we're doing that there because that's smashed.
Smashed on the school run?
Yeah, it's smashed on the school run.
Who was driving?
Mummy.
Oh goodness.
And there's loads of dust under it.
So we
where's the bits?
Hang on. So we're replacing the Mini, not the Mini. Replacing the indicator. Replacing the indicator and the mirror glass.
Look at that, it broke.
Because it's smashed on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get started.
Put that behind.
So we'll push that
like that, and then look.
Back. And we need to
I don't
want to
break it. I don't want to break it though.
So that will come through.
So there's a little wire here that you need to pull this out.
Okay, so that comes off for the
only
heater
the
element.
one, and then
we'll do the second one. Daddy will get that for you,
Wait,
shall I?
Can I try and do?
You want to? Just make sure you're not pulling from the wire.
And then it'll just come away once you've done those wires.
Brilliant.
So that was what was holding that together.
Great.
And also the wires were. So we're just going to put this here.
And then we've got some screws. So bring those screwdrivers over because we've got some screws.
You need every single screwdriver.
I would say
this massive chunky poo. This chunky poo.
There's two we need to do. So yeah, get the two bigger ones, please.
You want the chunky poo? So you need to get a screwdriver which has that end.
Let's have a look at the end.
Like that.
Let's have a look. Hold it still for me. So that's a Torx head.
Torx head.
That's called a Torx head.
So then
let's
it needs to be really small. And so first, only get this one here out and this one here out.
That's all we need.
That's all you need to get out.
So
not that, or that. None of them.
Just the two that we've pointed out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then,
if you could do that for me.
Right, which way is it? Is it that way?
So it's righty tighty, lefty loosey. So that you're doing righty tighty, yeah? Lefty loosey, that's it. Hold it with your second hand as well for me, so you're not going to scratch anything.
I've got it.
So you've got that. Right, we need to keep that safe, so if you want to hand that to me, thank you. So that's number one done. And then the second one, if you wouldn't mind.
Are you sure we don't need to do that one?
I'm pretty sure, yeah, the video I watched on how to do it said just the two.
Wait, was it on an Audi A6?
It was on an A6.
I'm doing
lefty loosey, that's it.
Oh yeah, I'm doing lefty loosey. Can I get that up? No. I think that's out now.
Okay.
No, it's not.
No.
That's out. That's got to be out.
Okay,
Here, it's
lovely.
out.
Well done, number 2 out.
Wait, what? So we just take this thing out but first you need to clip the 2 wires off, and then you can.
So what are those wires for on the back?
Pull it.
Oh yeah, these wires here.
Yeah. Which?
So they're for the heat element, and they go on there, don't
yeah,
they?
they go on these 2.
And they come off. We just used some little pliers for that, didn't we?
Wait, how do we know which one is going on which?
Don't worry, Daddy knows.
So there, let's just take this off and put it. Oh, are we putting it over here or over?
Yeah, just pop it over there if you want.
I'll put it on here.
Okay.
Now we need to do.
So now we've just got to get that off.
Yeah.
So
how are we going to do that?
So get the long nose pliers. They're on the seat. They're on the seat in there. So we've got the long nose pliers. So what we'll do, we'll just shut the door. I'm going to push that back as we had before, so we've got some access. Right. So you see these things here. You see these? Are you watching, or are you just dancing around with pliers? Dancing around with pliers. Right. These little things here need to be pressed in. So we're going to try that, and then the mirror cap will start to come off.
So we're going. So we got the cable out, and there.
So we've got the cable off. So
there's the 3 parts that we'll need. Well.
Whoa! That's the mirror. That's the mirror, and that's painted. So let's not just throw it on the floor. Yeah, pick it up.
So we need to replace this.
So
we need to replace all of that.
Look at that. Look at all the green in it. See all that green?
And there's cracks in it.
So it's cracks. So that's obviously been hit at some stage, hasn't it?
I know.
Someone's probably hit that when it was parked up.
Mama.
Probably wasn't Mummy. Are you blaming Mummy?
Mama or Dada?
Wasn't Dada.
It's either Mama or Dada.
Well, let's not blame anyone. So turn that round for me. Turn that round.
Oh no, not the chaos people.
Oh, chaos.
Not the chaos people again!
Makes another appearance in a video.
Get out, silly!
Chaos. Right then.
Chicken head!
Who are you calling a chicken head? Call it.
That's so funny.
Rosie, absolute lunatic.
Get out of here now!
Get out of our video.
Get out!
You're a chicken head. Rosie the chicken head.
She's a fat chicken head.
So we're doing all right. Right. Elliot, if you could show me the inside of that, and we're looking for a couple of screw heads.
One? There's one. Oh no.
Oh, is there one missing? Oh, we already took it out. Yay. So we're going to get that second one out, and then we can fit our new indicator.
Oh. So we're trying to get this last screw out, which is in here.
Okay. It's that one there.
Very hard.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Is that lefty loosey?
It's looking like it's loosening to me.
Ah!
Watch your fingers.
as we were getting this out,
so we've taken...
as we got it out, that fell out. The glass fell out.
So there's a bit of glass, which is obviously where it got hit. Don't put that on the floor. It's painted. Thank you very much. I'll have it. Thank you very much.
So let's have a look.
Lady just wants to throw that all over the floor.
Let's have a look. Where is this glass coming from?
So,
it's come from somewhere. Oh, I found it. It's there.
Yeah, well, this one's going to be going in the bin. So, should we get the new one out next to it and see what it looks like?
There.
Should we get the new one out next to it, see what it looks like?
Let's put the broken piece with it.
Okay.
So, here's the old one. And the new one is just in this box. And why does that keep falling?
Okay.
And here's the broken piece.
So,
Broken piece
you know when we get the new one out,
yeah,
don't scrape it on the floor, okay? So
oh my goodness, it's looking amazing.
Brand new part from Audi.
Right, are we going to do it on the other side as well?
No, it's only this one that we need to replace. Thankfully, it was only the one side and it got clipped. Right, nice and shiny.
Oh my goodness.
So it's nice and shiny, and then we're going to fit this to the mirror.
Which one's better? Put down below in the comments.
Well, obviously, it's going to be the new one that's better.
And this one is smashed.
I know.
The broken one.
Absolute chaos. So we're going to fit that.
Right. Let's put it on now.
We're going to fit that into the mirror.
This is junk.
So this is junk. This is not going to be reused. The new one is in there.
Right, will this... Right,
Like
are we
this.
putting this in the recycling?
That will go recycling because we're responsible. Elliot, so what we're going to do...
Look at all around the outside.
So we need to fit the screws.
What is all of this around the outside?
It's all grime. It's been on for a while. So that screw there and that screw there. So Elliot, can you fit those for me?
Yeah, like how am I meant to do that? Can you hold that?
Yeah.
Where's the screw?
Screws are down there by the orange trim tool.
Just one.
Just get one at a time. So
Where do I put that? Oh.
just rest it in there for me.
No.
Might be easier if you take gloves off for this one.
Oh no.
Yeah, we'll take our gloves off, I think.
I'm only going to take one glove.
Tighty, righty. So you're loosening there. That's it. Righty, tighty.
Later, Simon.
1 hour later.
1 hour later. We're still doing it.
So we're just going to get that screwed in, aren't we? And then we're going to screw in the second one. Is that right, El?
So we finally got the glass in there, and we've got this in there.
So we've got
we just found out that we have a little scratch on it.
So we've got an indicator in there. Yeah, we have got a little scuff. I think that's probably where it got caught. Maybe when it got caught on the road or something. That's not something you did. So what did you think of that job? That was obviously a bit harder than the jobs we've done.
It, but at one time I got a bit cold, so I had to go in and I thought I'm gonna play on the computer.
What did you play?
Burnout Paradise, bro.
Right. Okay. So that's now working fine.
And also this is junk.
So that's the old one. So that's going to go in the bin.
Wait, what?
So that'll go in the bin, yeah, because it's junk.
Junk.
Junk. Don't need that.
This is junk.
So all back together, Elliot. So any final thoughts?
Peace out. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, one thing.
What?
Air freshener.
Oh, air freshener. Did you want to pick the air freshener?
Yeah. So, where are they? Where you put the air freshener?
They're on the passenger seat, I think.
Where you put the air freshener?
So which one are we picking?
So, the red one's cherry, the yellow one's vanilla, and the purple one is cotton.
So what colour were we going to go for?
What is cotton?
Cotton. It's what your clothes are made out of. So if you smell your clothes.
Cherry. Definitely cherry. We're going for cherry.
Just fell over the gate.
Silly gate.
Silly gate. Move the gate. So you're going to go for cherry?
Yeah, we're going for cherry.
Loves an air freshener. Okay.
Oh, here it is.
Here it is. Chaos.
Smell that. Smell that. Smell it. And
Smells good.
it's
Right,
got
we're going to fit
hot
that.
wheels on.
We're going to get that fitted.
Shall we put it with the wolves one?
Yeah, fit it with the wolves if you want. Up the wolves, up the wolves.
With the wolves.
Wolves are going to beat. How are we going to get on against Brighton on Monday, do you think?
Bad.
Bad? Do you think Brighton will beat us?
Yeah, because the last time we went there, it was 4-0.
4-0. Yeah, we did get ruined there last time.
It was 4-0.
4-0. Anyway, any final thoughts? Because obviously come to the end of a video, what would we normally say?
I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe for more videos, and peace out. Bye.
Bye.